Do you find your screen still too bright, even at the lowest brightness setting? On the Xiaomi Redmi A5, there's an extra dim feature that lets you reduce the brightness even further, perfect for late-night use or dim environments where you want to avoid eye strain. Let me show you how to turn it on and manage it. First, open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Accessibility. Inside the Accessibility menu, go to the Display section and tap Extra Dim. Now, turn on the switch next to make screen extra dim. You'll see your screen instantly adjust to a softer brightness level. Under Options, you can fine-tune this setting. Use the intensity slider, drag it left to make the screen even dimmer, or drag it right if you still want it slightly brighter. This gives you control beyond the regular brightness bar. Below that, you'll see two more helpful settings. Keep on after device restarts. Turn this on if you want extra dim to stay active even after you reboot your phone. Extra dim shortcut, enable this if you want quick access. You can set the shortcut to appear in quick settings, the accessibility menu, or even trigger it using the volume keys. With these options, you can customize how and when extra dim works, making it easy to switch on whenever you need it. Extra dim is especially useful if you like reading in bed, watching videos in the dark, or using your phone in theaters and other low-light spaces. It not only reduces glare but can also help prevent headaches and protect your eyes during long nighttime sessions. If you don't see this option on your Redmi A5, make sure your device is updated to the latest software version, since accessibility features are often added or improved with updates. And that's it. You now know how to turn on and manage extra dim on your Xiaomi Redmi A5. If this video helped you make your display more comfortable, give it a thumbs up, and check out my other Redmi A5 tutorials for more tips to get the best out of your phone. Thanks for watching.